Unlock the world of online trading with this essential guide to the Pocket Option platform, designed to get you started with confidence. Welcome to the heart of Pocket Option. Upon logging in, you'll see your account balance front and center, along with intuitive buttons to initiate your trades. Your trading journey begins with selecting your assets. Pocket Option offers a diverse range of currency pairs, stocks, commodities, and more. Simply click on the asset selection menu to explore the available options. Once you've chosen your instrument, you'll see the live price chart. The core of trading here is predicting whether the price will go up or down. You'll place your trades by selecting either the buy or call button if you anticipate an increase, or the sell or put button if you expect a decrease. Before executing a trade, it's crucial to set your investment amount and choose your expiry time. This is the duration your trade will remain active. Pocket Option offers a variety of expiry durations to suit your trading style. Pocket Option supports various order types. The most common is the market order, which executes at the current market price. You can also set limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, giving you more control. To place a trade, enter your desired investment amount, select your expiry time, and then click either the buy if you predict an upward movement or sell if you anticipate a downward movement. Your active trades will be clearly displayed. Effective risk management is key. Always be mindful of your investment amount per trade relative to your overall capital. Pocket Option empowers you to manage your exposure effectively, helping you protect your capital. With these fundamentals in place, you're ready to explore the Pocket Option platform and begin your trading adventure. Happy trading!